GloCal Nutrition: Global Issues in Local Context. The GloCal Nutrition project aims to save lives through education and monitoring in the form of videos and mobile applications. GloCal primarily targets young children and pregnant women. Mother and child health can be monitored with growth curves and vaccination cards in 2 GloCal mobile applications. GloCal Mom was developed for families, and GloCal Nurse for healthcare professionals like community health workers. Both applications contain more than 50 educational videos on healthy pregnancy and safe delivery, breastfeeding, complementary feeding, child's overall development, health and disease, nutrition and healthy diet, kitchen gardening, and sexual health. The GloCal videos translate WHO recommendations for proper nutrition and hygiene into everyday context. We filmed local people in real-life situations. We also made animations to increase understanding behind the recommendations. The GloCal videos can be used in many ways to make health education more concrete. Health workers can show the videos to families, or parents can watch them on their own phones. The GloCal videos can even be displayed non-stop on screens in various waiting rooms. GloCal videos are available in several local languages, so we together can reach the most vulnerable groups of people. No child should die because of ignorance.